Well guys, here at Elephant Racing we do a lot of road race cars, we do a lot of restoration Porsches, but we also do a lot of safari cars. And in fact, I'm surrounded here by several cars that are in process right now. We got an interesting phone call a few weeks ago. It was from Hoovie at Hoovies Garage, and he's interested in doing a Safari 996 Turbo. And it's a car that he had purchased. It was very high mileage, low price, 996 Turbo, and he wants to do the full Safari package on it. And in fact, here's a car that we are just now finishing up. This is actually a 997, but in many respects very similar to the car that Hoovie's going to do. This car has the full suspension package. It's got Safari bars on the front, light bar on the front. It's got the roof rack and the light bar on the roof. It's got the rocker guards that we fabricated. It's also got a rear Safari bar. And this is probably similar to what Hoovie's going to do with his car. We'll see what he does. I'm not sure what his cosmetics are going to be like, but we're anxious to see it. We have another Safari 997 that is just getting finished up here behind me. This car happens to be a turbo as well. And this one's a very different look. The owner wanted to go with a more modern, very large wheel diameter, and obviously less of the Safari bar and roof rack type look, but this is a very capable car. And this one over here, this is a 996. This one is actually similar to the car that Hoovie's building in that it is a 996, although it's not a turbo. This one is in process. It has the full suspension on it already, so it's been lifted. It's got the roof rack, and we are preparing to do the Safari bars on this. So this is very much a work in process. In fact, we've got some Safari bars over here. Some of these are going to be going onto that car, but this is a production batch that we're putting together and will be available for other customer cars. Over here, we've actually got the stuff for Hoovie's car, and we're getting ready to ship it out. It's getting boxed up, as you can see. And he's got the full coilovers. These are extended Safari length, Safari valving, and spring rates that make sense for an off-road vehicle. We've got a subframe spacer kit in here. This spaces down the subframe and corrects geometry on the raised car. And we've got extended lower control arms, and we've got caster arms, various other bits, bushings, suspension mounts, sway bar, adjustable sway bar. So basically all the pieces that Hoovie's going to need to have a good Safari package and a good Safari handling type of car. Very capable bits. So we're looking forward to seeing Hoovie do the build. Hopefully we're going to see these parts again show up in his shop very soon, and we'll see these bits going in. Stay tuned.